guys, Carrie here, and welcome to Stable Talks, a global conversation you love to follow. Here, I invite the top leaderships of the global stable ecosystem to discuss all things regarding regulation, effects, payments, and how blockchain-powered finance is transforming the way that we move money worldwide. We will discuss and dive deeper in specific use cases in verticals such as payroll, global neobanking, trade finance, and much more. We, of course, will have the POV of different regions because this is a global conversation and discuss all things regarding the LATAM ecosystem, how LATAM and Asia are connecting each other to cross-border payments leveraged by stablecoins. And of course, have a kind of a forecast of how the industry is seeing itself in some months or years from now. I'm pretty excited to share this with you and make sure to tune in every episode.